So people asked, hey, do more of these videos. I got a text message from a guy named Cody. You might know him as Clever Investor. He's very well known for flipping properties and stuff like that. So we've done a few deals in the past. He just said, hey, can I call you in a minute? So the phone will probably ring here in a second. I'm just waiting for him. I already told him to call me. Go ahead. So we had to kind of improv this real quick. But you're gonna hear me talk to him. Let's see what he says. I don't know, maybe he's gonna buy this car, maybe he wants to just find out. Could be anything. What's up, Cody?
Nick, it's Cody Sperber. What's up, brother?
Not much, man. What's going on? How you been?
I've been doing good, dude. How are you?
Good, good. I got your text. You said you wanted to talk to me about something. What's going on?
Yeah. That blue 2024 Huracan Technica, man. That thing is fire. It has my name written all over it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it screams Cody Sperber.
Let's do it. Let me pull it up here. I'll give you info.
Yeah, I need you to give me a good deal.
All right, I'll work with you. You know that. It's a 24. The car's got full PPF, lowered slightly, carbon fiber hood. It's got the stripes from factory. It's car's set up, dude. What do you want to do? Like, we're asking 356.8. Let's make a deal.
Real estate's been good, so let's. If you'll do it for 350 flat, I'll pay cash for it. We could do a deal.
Shipped to your house?
Ship it to my office.
Okay.
I wanna get it at the office.
Okay. 1 second. Let me pull this up, dude. Hold on. Can I give it to you for 353?
You can't do any better?
I mean, you know what, dude? This is like your 8th car from us, whatever. 350's fine. That's fine. Just do it.
That's what I'm talking about. My guy.
All right, I'll connect you with Christine via text right now. She's my finance girl. She'll do all the paperwork with you and she'll give you the wire info. I'll call a transport right now and set up transport and get it out there. Text me the address you want it to go to.
All right, you're the man, bro. Thank you.
Appreciate you, bro. That was easy. Nice and fast.
Yes, it always is. You're the best.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate that. All right, we'll talk.
All right, talk
Thank
to
you.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye. So this is the car that Cody just called me about. That was really fast. So anyways, 2024 Technica, full PPF, car's lowered a little bit, blue Safeus. It's got the carbon seats. I'm gonna prep the car now. It's actually already perfect, ready to go. We have everything on the floor, ready to get delivered always, because Vegas is spontaneous like that. Thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned, we're gonna keep giving you more content. If you like it, drop a like and say what you love, what you wanna see more of, let us know. Take care.